This is my second time recording this same exact video. The first one didn't have audio, so get wrecked. But hi, my name is Kenyatta, and today is day 2 of me documenting this journey to building online businesses to generate $3,000 per month within the next 6 months, so I can travel the world and genuinely just enjoy the best of life. So yesterday on day 1, we talked about the business model that I'm looking towards doing, which is the agency, essentially, but like a really performance-based and full package agency. So it's building the website, running the traffic, being it SEO or ads, also helping with the nurturing and conversion using chatbots and AI agents. So since yesterday, I've had some more thoughts on it, especially to do 2 aspects. The first one being the actual cold outreach, and 2 being with the service provision. So the first one with the cold outreach, I plan on starting off this with cold emailing and LinkedIn. And it really got me thinking, like, how often people actually reply to cold emails and LinkedIn's. And that's, of course, is very low. But I did some more research and I found, once I've done cold emails before and had different levels of success, what I found, it comes down to 2 things. The first being is the quality of the leads. Is this a person who actually experiences this problem personally, and are you contacting them directly? So this means if you're doing a service provision, so you're trying to help, let's say, plumbers, for example, you first have to find plumbers who don't have an incredible digital presence, where there's a need for improvement and likely where they are losing money to their competitors, and then actually get in contact of that specific plumber, the boss or the marketing person or the salesperson, somebody who actually, this is a problem that they know that is there and they can see how a solution would be beneficial to them. So finding high quality leads, maybe actually focusing really on the leads, maybe in the beginning, and then maybe over time you can now have some scale, but personalization is so important. And then secondly, it's emails that, number 1, A, are personable, and B, don't ask for too much, and C, provide value. You know, it's a mistake to say, okay, this and this problem I saw, would you be willing to have a 15-minute call? 15-minute call is actually a lot of time for a busy person. So I think it to provide a form of value that they can initiate by themselves. It could either be like a Loom, it could be a website link, it could be a PDF, just something that's quick. And ideally, you want to provide a lot of value for free. So I think actually the way I'm thinking about doing sales is providing almost everything for free. Whole value proposition, how to do it yourself, and now just charging for me to do it, my actual implementation and my expertise. So that's my thought process as of now. And then the next thing is the actual service provision. I think right now I would struggle to charge somebody X amount of money to run ads. It's not something I've done a lot of. I've done it before and have had some success, but I wouldn't feel comfortable charging them. And also I don't have A, the expertise, or B, the case studies to actually do it in a way that would be good. So my actual thinking is that I'll start off with websites, SEO, and probably the chatbots, simply because these are things I can build and showcase, just using mock work. And maybe also having 1 or 2 clients who I charge them maybe really little money, maybe do it for free. So that's my thought process. So this is day 2 of this journey where I document it. Now it's Friday, now the weekend is coming, so I might just put the 2 days together and then record it on Monday and kind of just talk about the things that I've been thinking about. I'm not really sure about the format about this, but I'm gonna keep on doing this, ideally for a year or something. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next upload. Bye bye.